Outside the docks, I asked some rivers men what they thought of the Igbos.
It was, though we are all one Nigeria, but they misbehave themselves, and we feel at the moment, at this time, they should remain in their East Central state.
You don't think there is a place for them to work down here now?
At the moment, I don't think so.
Do you think it will come in the future?
That future can tell.
But not now?
Not now.
The federal government has many times said that Igbos will live with their compatriots again in peace and prosperity. But whatever General Gowon may say about reconciliation in faraway Lagos, it's not happening here in the Rivers State. This is Ikwerre, where these Igbos have lived for centuries. During the war they fled, and local people from other tribes who remained seized the chance to occupy or destroy their homes and seize their farmland.